I'm Tony. I'm glad to share the entity architecture of Home Assistant with all of you. As you know, integrations can represent devices and services in Home Assistant, and the data points are represented as entities. Entities are standardized by other integrations like light, switch, etc. Standardized entities come with services for control, but an integration can also provide their own services in case something is not standardized. An entity abstracts away the internal working of Home Assistant. As an integrator, you don't have to worry about how services or the state machine work. Instead, you extend an entity class and implement the necessary properties and methods for the device type that you are integrating. Entity architecture includes configuration, device integration, service integration, entity integration, the entity component helper, the entity platform helper, and the integration platform. Configuration is provided by the user via a configure entry or in special legacy cases via configuration yarn. The device integration, such as here, will use this configuration to set up a connection with the device or service. If it will forward the config entry to set up its entities in their respective integrations, such as light and switch. And legacy uses discovery helper to do it. The device integration can also register their own services for things that are not made standardized. These services are published under the integrations domain, such as here active thing. The entity integration, such as light, is responsible for defining the abstract entity class and services to control the entity. The entity component helper is responsible for distributing the configuration to the platforms, forward discovery, and collect entities for service calls. The entity platform helper manages all entities for the platform and pulls them for updating if necessary. When adding entities, the entity platform is responsible for registering the entity with the device and the entity registries. Integration platform, such as Light, uses configuration to query the external device or service and create entities to be added. It is also possible for integration platforms to register entity services. These services will work on all entities of the device integration. For the entity integration, such as Light entities, these services are published under the device integration domain. Now introduce the entity interaction with Home Assistant core. The integration entity class that inherits from the entity base class is responsible for fetching the data and handle the service call. If pooling is disabled, it is also responsible for telling assistant when data is available. The entity base class, which is defined by the entity integration, is responsible for formatting the data and writing it to the state machine. The entity registry will write an available state for any registered entity that is not currently backed by an entity object. Finally, introduce entity data hierarchy. It includes config entry, device registry entry, entity registry entry, and entity. It supports delete, disable, or re-enable any object, and all objects below will be adjusted accordingly. That's all. Thank you for checking out Open AIoT YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more fresh serious videos, please click subscribe button to get there. Thanks for watching.